Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to be unboxing the Apple polishing cloth, the famous $25 or euros Apple polishing cloth, which they recommend is for Apple displays, including the nano texture glass and so on. So this took forever to get here, but let's open it. We have basically a tear here, so we just have to lift this a little bit up and then tear it out where you can see the leftover little spaghetti. Then we open it, and there is the reveal, the magic Apple cloth. We pull it out. Has a little stamp with the Apple logo, which you can probably barely see due to the lighting. And then inside we have a little instructions. Safe for use on all Apple displays and surfaces for infrequent cleaning or hard to remove smudges or on nano texture. A 70% isopropylic acid alcohol IPA solution may be used, and that same thing in a bunch of languages. So that basically is it. Nothing else in here, just the cleaning cloth. And the cleaning cloth basically is actually quite thick for cleaning cloth, but that's all you get. It's around 15 centimeters by 15, so that is the Apple cleaning cloth. If you have any questions about the cleaning cloth from Apple, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.